Interactive Brokers versus Trade Republic, which is right for you. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will compare two of the leading online brokerage platforms, which is Interactive Brokers and Trade Republic. And to create an account to any of these platforms, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know Interactive Brokers, it stands as a renowned name in the world of online brokerage, offering comprehensive array of investment options and advanced trading tools, with access to global markets and a wide range of assets including stocks, options, ETFs, futures, and forex. On the other hand, Trade Republic emerges as a newcomer in the brokerage space, disrupting the market with its simple and user-friendly approach. Primarily focused on stocks and ETFs, Trade Republic offers a streamlined mobile app experience appealing to beginner investors and those seeking hassle-free trading. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Interactive Brokers and Trade Republic. So let's start by knowing their fees comparison. As you can see on this table, in terms of stock trading, Interactive Brokers offer variable commission rates, typically $0.005 per share with a minimum of $1 per order, while Trade Republic offers €1 per order, which is equities. Now in terms of options trading, Interactive Brokers starts at $0.65 per contract, while Trade Republic is not available. While in terms of ETF trading, Interactive Brokers typically commission-free, same as Trade Republic. Moving on to currency conversion fee, Interactive Brokers varies but typically ranges from 0.1% to 0.2%, while Trade Republic offers 1.5%. Now in terms of withdrawal fee, Interactive Brokers has no fees for most methods, same as Trade Republic. Now moving on to regulations comparison. As you can see on this table, in terms of regulated, Interactive Brokers regulated by multiple authorities including the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, and also regulated by regulatory bodies in other countries where it operates, while Trade Republic is regulated by the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority as a security trading bank. In terms of segregation of funds, Interactive Brokers client funds segregated from brokers' own funds and held with reputable banks, while Trade Republic client funds segregated from the broker's own funds and held in separate accounts with a licensed custodian. And also in terms of investor protection, Interactive Brokers has Security Investor Protection Corporation protection up to $500,000 including $250,000 per claims for cash, and also additional insurance coverage available. While Trade Republic is German Investor Protection Scheme provided by EDW for up to €90,000 per customer. Now in terms of compliance, Interactive Brokers complies with US and international regulations including anti-money laundering and know your customer requirements, while Trade Republic complies with German and EU regulations including AML and KYC requirements as well. Moving on to its pros and cons, starting to pros of Interactive Brokers. It has wide range of investment options including stocks, options, ETFs, futures, and many more. And it's also competitive commission rates, especially for high-volume traders with access to global markets and exchanges, with advanced trading platforms with comprehensive research and analysis tools, and the regulatory oversight by multiple authorities providing a high level of investor protection. While the cons of using Interactive Brokers is that it has complex fee structure that may not be suitable for infrequent traders, with minimum balance requirements and inactivity fees, and steeper learning curve for beginners due to advanced trading features, with customer service that may not always be responsive or user-friendly. Moving on to pros of using Trade Republic, it has simple and user-friendly mobile app for trading that offers low-cost trading with a flat fee per order, making it attractive for small investors, and no account maintenance fees or minimum balance requirements, and the fractional shares trading available, allowing for smaller investments in high-priced stocks that regulated by the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, providing investor protection. While the cons of using Trade Republic is that it has limited investment options compared to Interactive Brokers primarily focused on stocks and ETFs, and no access to options trading, with currency conversion fees that are relatively high, and customer service may have limited availability or response times, with lack of advanced trading tools and research features for experienced traders. Now moving on to products comparison, as you can see on this table in terms of investor protection, Interactive Brokers has access to global stock markets, while Trade Republic primarily focuses on stocks listed on major exchanges. While in terms of ETFs, Interactive Brokers' extensive selection of ETFs covering various asset classes and regions, while Trade Republic offers a range of ETFs for diversified investment options. Now in terms of futures, Interactive Brokers has access to futures contracts on various asset classes including commodities, currencies, and indices, while Trade Public futures trading is not available. Now in terms of options, Interactive Brokers has options trading available on various exchanges, while Trade Public option tradings are not available. And also in terms of bonds, Interactive Brokers offers a variety of bond products, including government, corporate, and municipal bonds, while Trade Public bond trading is not available. And in terms of mutual funds, Interactive Brokers provides access to a wide range of mutual funds from different fund families, while Trade Public mutual fund trading is not available. And in terms of cryptocurrencies, Interactive Brokers provides trading in cryptocurrencies through futures contracts and cryptocurrency trading platforms, while Trade Republic cryptocurrency trading is not available. Now moving on to platforms comparison, as you can see on this table in terms of desktop platform, Interactive Brokers offers Trader Workstation and WebTrader providing advanced trading tools and features, while Trade Republic has no desktop platform available. And in terms of charting tools, Interactive Brokers advanced charting tools available on desktop platforms with customization options and technical analysis indicators, while Trade Republic has basic charting tools available on mobile app. And also in terms of order types, Interactive Brokers offers a wide range of order types including market orders, limit orders, stop orders, and many more, while Trade Republic supports basic order types such as market orders and limit orders. But the question is, who should choose Interactive Brokers? Well, Interactive Brokers caters to traders and investors seeking a selection of the investment options and sophisticated trading features. It's a choice for traders involved in frequent transactions across different asset types like stocks, options, ETFs, futures, and forex. Moreover, Interactive Brokers is well suited for individuals who prioritize in-depth research and analysis tools to support their trading strategies. And those who value compliance and investor safeguarding may find Interactive Brokers appealing due to its oversight by regulatory bodies. But what about Trade Republic? Who should choose Trade Republic? Well, Trade Republic is an option for investors and casual traders who value simplicity, user-friendliness, and affordable trading. The easy-to-use mobile app allows users to trade on the go without the complexities of desktop platform. Trade Republic mainly focuses on stocks and ETFs, making it a perfect for those looking for an investment experience with trading choices. Moreover, individuals interested in investing in shares may find Trade Republic attractive. However, advanced traders needing access to a range of investments, products, and advanced trading features might find Trade Republic suitable. And now, in conclusion, the choice between Interactive Brokers and Trade Republic ultimately depends on individual preferences, trading goals, and experience levels. Interactive Brokers offers a comprehensive suite of advanced trading tools and access to a wide range of investment products, making it suitable for experienced traders seeking extensive capabilities and global market access. On the other hand, Trade Republic provides a user-friendly mobile app with low-cost trading options, catering to beginner investors and casual traders who prioritize simplicity and ease of use. Understanding one's trading needs and preferences is crucial in making the decision between these two platforms. So that is just a comparison review between Interactive Brokers and Trade Republic. Thank you.